I have found the cutest pair of overalls and I want to tell you all about them. I'm Sarah from WTI, and these adorable loose fit overalls from utcoco are comfortable, durable, and will have all your friends asking where you got them. My favorite thing about them is definitely how comfortable they are. I recommend getting a size bigger because they seem to run a little small, but I like the soft denim fabric and I love the fact that I can move around and bend down without feeling any discomfort. I've had other overalls in the past and they would dig into my shoulders, and by the end of the day I couldn't wait to take them off. But that's not the case with these. I was able to wear these all day and be perfectly comfortable and happy. I also like how versatile they are. I was able to wear them with a t-shirt, a tank top, and even a cute top with frilly sleeves. I also tried them with a cardigan and flip-flops, and I thought they looked great with it all. So if you're looking for an awesome pair of overalls that are comfortable and versatile, then I think you need to try these overalls from utcoco, and that's my point of view.